Hi, Derry Smith here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up an FTP server and configure it from behind the router. First thing you need to do is acquire the FTP server. The FTP server I'm going to be using in this video is Cross FTP Server. So open a browser and do a search for Cross FTP. Then you're going to select Cross FTP Server. Here you just click the green button. So after you click download and it's finished, run it and you'll be greeted by this very simple GUI. Now Cross FTP Server, you don't have to install it, you just run it, seeing that it is built in Java. And as you can see off the bat, servers are on it. So all we need to do now is create a user for it. So under FTP, go to users. I'm going to create a new user. Okay, anything other than admin. So I'm going to give my Derry. The password. Type the password. I set the password here. For root directory, you're going to browse and select the directory that you want to access. Any directory you like to access from. So I'm just going to my folder, select, and enable it, and give it, if you want to give it right permissions. Okay. Save. There we have it. You create a user. So now we're going to go back to your browser and access the folder via FTP. Now from the browser, you're going to go to the address bar and type in FTP : / and your computer's IP address : 21. If you don't know your computer's IP address, you can open command prompt and type in ipconfig, and you will see under IPv4 your computer's IP address. Okay, so after you type in FTP address, press enter. There you have it. Everything that was in my directory. Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to access it from outside of your local network. First, you need to access your router. Okay, so in the address bar, go to your router. Type in your router address. So what you're looking for in your router is something called port forwarding. Okay, so navigate to your port forwarding tab. Now once you add port forwarding, you want to add the port you would like to forward. Okay, so the port you're going to forward is port 21. As that is the port that file joins that FTP uses. So you're going to give it a name. Give it whatever name you want. And port. Now the IP address that you're gonna input is the IP address that you are given from your ISP. Now to find out what that IP address is, you're gonna go to a website called whatsmyip.org. And while you're there, at the top you will see what your IP address is. But my IP address is blocked out for security reasons. So once you have that, you can enter it into your router to forward the port. Once you add the IP address, enable it, and then save the setting. Once that's done, you can access your computer from off your local network by typing FTP : / the IP address that you are getting from your ISP and port 20 to access your PC's folders from